In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a feedback form that triggers a support ticket. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to set it up quickly and efficiently. Stick with me, because you'll get a step-by-step guide, and I'll even show you a free tool you can use to set it up. So if you're tired of managing feedback and support requests manually, or you want to streamline your customer support process, you're in the right place. We'll go through exactly how to create that feedback form and connect it to a support ticket system, so you never miss a request. Let's dive in. First, you need to choose the right platform for your feedback form. You've got a lot of options, but for this video, I'll be using our recommended software, which offers an easy setup and integration with most ticketing systems. I've tested a lot of popular software, but this one stands out, and I've got a special free trial link in the description below just for viewers of this channel. It's exclusive, so make sure you grab it. Now, once you've signed up for the software, the first step is to create your feedback form. You can start with a blank form or use one of the templates available. Make sure to include key fields such as name, email, and a space for feedback or support issue. Next, you'll need to set up your automation so that when the feedback is submitted, it triggers the creation of a support ticket. This can usually be done in the form settings or automation section of the software. What you want to do is select the option to send the form responses directly to your support system. This will ensure every feedback submission automatically creates a support ticket. Once you've linked your feedback form to your ticketing system, test it out. Submit a dummy form and check if a support ticket is created in your support dashboard. Make sure the feedback or issue details appear clearly in the ticket so that your team can easily take action. A few quick tips here. Make sure you enable notifications so that both your team and the customer will be alerted once a ticket is created. This helps speed up response times and ensures no request gets overlooked. Also, be sure to set up categories or tags in your ticketing system to sort feedback or support issues automatically. Now that you've created a feedback form that triggers a support ticket, remember that this is just the beginning. The real power comes when you start integrating other customer service workflows, like automated follow-ups or priority settings. But let's keep it simple for today. Here's the key takeaway. Setting up a feedback form that triggers a support ticket is all about choosing the right software and linking the form to your ticketing system. Keep it straightforward, test your setup, and make sure notifications are on so your team can jump into action right away. It's a game changer for improving your customer support experience. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's the perfect opportunity to follow along and set up your own feedback form today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.